Hello everyone, it's been a long time again. So this time I have made an open source tool for you which is called KINESIS. KINESIS is from the Greek word which means momentum or motion. It's basically a website that lets you create 3D animation for your custom website, helping you build more engaging and impressive experience. So let's begin. Okay, let's begin our tutorial with KINESIS, like what it can do, how we can animate and more stuff. So to get into editor tab, you can simply press E, which will open an editor tab, and here you can see the keyframe animation which I have added, and we can play it out also, like as you can see here. Okay, so you can play and test it out. So it's basically scroll basis. So if we scroll it out, like as you see, it's performing the animation which we have recorded. Okay, cool, right? So how we can animate? Let's see. So first thing you can see here, this is a timeline where P1, P2, P3, P4 are the slides of our content. We can zoom in, zoom out the model, as well as left clicking on mouse we can glide it, like move it anywhere, as you can see. So to press Ctrl A or simply A, delete it, all the keyframe will disappear. Okay, I will do a little zoom and I can find that gizmo. I can find that gizmo here, as you can see. So I can move it, I can turn it and make this as an initial frame. Then I will move to P2, then simply do a side animation, then it will move like this, and this will be a front face like this. If this is a second keyframe, then you can play it like this, as you can see. Okay, so like this we can animate. So let's go from the basic to advanced, like how we can import more models or more open source assets. So as you can see, we have assets here. There are multiple assets. Okay, there are multiple assets, as you can see, which I have added, which are open sourced, and you can find these open source assets in Sketchfab as well. So if you search tech drone something, you will find drones which are animated as well as open sourced, which you can download and import and do website animations. Okay, so look, I have taken one example. Okay, so let's simply put drone. Yeah, this one. So make sure you need to download this in GLTF converted format. Okay, make sure you can download this. When you download it and place this in our directory, which is, let me show you, it's in public models, and you will find Buster Drone here, which I have unzipped. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. So we have Buster Drone here. So we can zoom out, zoom in the model as well. You can simply control the move from here. So for the rotation, we have rotate button here, where you will find a gizmo where you can rotate upside down and everything. So let's make it our first keyframe, which will be here, and yeah, like this. Then for second keyframe, we can move this move this object or a model here, and rotate the camera a little bit, and then move it, then add a keyframe, then we can play it out, like as you can see. So you can exit the editor as well as scroll it and take a feel of it, like how it's moving with the scroll. Now for the third P3, we can move it far away, then rotate it and add a keyframe. Okay, as you can see, it's working pretty well. Then for the P4, we can shift it again on the original position, zoom it out a little bit to change the perspective. Then it will automatically add a keyframe here because it has detected the movement, that's why. So for the fifth P4, we can keep it more zoom and little bit like this, so we can see. Then in P4 and the final, we can simply zoom here. Yeah, let's test it out. Yeah, pretty much it. So from this you can animate any characters, any models, anything. Like visit Sketchfab, find model, you can animate in Blender. If you have Blender knowledge, then you can animate anything with this open source tool, which you will find it on GitHub. And simply clone this for your site, change the content and do some vibe coding with it, and you can interactive 3D animation site, you can make it. So simple.
Yo, I love Mama Maru as much as candy. Full moon's brandy. When I go to the beach, I love the sandy and... Huh? I know her. I think I've seen her at school.